In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Apps in Device section. Then click on this gear at the top right corner and select App Permissions. Following that, tap on any of those features like Location and tap on gray sweater next to an app that you wish to allow access to your location. To deny it, click on the same now green one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!